Welcome to today's quick tutorial on managing those sometimes overwhelming WhatsApp group chats. We all love staying connected, but constant notifications can be a real distraction. So let's dive into how you can mute a group chat for 8 hours, giving you some peace and quiet when you need it most. This is the updated method, so let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. It's the green icon with the white phone inside. You know the one. Next, go to the group chat that you want to mute. This is the chat that's been buzzing non-stop and you're ready for a break. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the group's name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info page, where you can see all the details and settings for the group. On the group info page, look for the notifications option and tap on it. Here, you'll see the option to mute notifications. Toggle that switch to the on position. Now, you'll be presented with a few choices for how long you want to mute the notifications. 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Select 8 hours. Then tap OK, and that's it. You've successfully muted the group chat for 8 hours. You will still receive messages sent to the group chat, but your phone won't vibrate or make noise when they come in. This is a great way to stay in the loop without getting bombarded with constant notifications. A crossed-out speaker icon will appear on the right of a muted group. This simple trick can really help you manage your digital life and stay focused when you need to. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.